Raybestos is a globally recognized leader in the automotive aftermarket industry, known for its high-quality brake parts that offer superior performance and reliability. With a wide range of products, including friction materials, rotors, drums, calipers, hub assemblies, and hydraulics, Raybestos ensures that each component matches or exceeds the original equipment, OE, form, fit, and function. These products undergo rigorous testing to guarantee that you receive the highest standard of quality for your vehicle's braking system. Raybestos' commitment to excellence and precision in engineering means that their brake parts are built to last, ensuring safe and reliable operation for every type of vehicle, from passenger cars to commercial trucks. Whether you're replacing a worn brake part or upgrading your vehicle's performance, Raybestos provides a trusted solution that will not disappoint. One satisfied customer recently shared their experience with Raybestos brake parts, noting that they were able to easily replace their missing brake parts on a 2013 Keystone Outback with 4,400 pounds AlKo axles. The parts fit perfectly and even provided a snugger fit than the stock ones, proving that Raybestos delivers top-notch solutions for every need. For anyone in need of reliable brake components, Raybestos continues to be the go-to choice for professional technicians and vehicle owners alike. Their products provide unmatched durability, precision, and performance, ensuring your vehicle's braking system is in excellent condition. To purchase Raybestos products, click the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on automotive products.